Hi, this is Brittany Massey. For my study methods, I typically start with the book. And I try to go through and highlight and make notes on everything. This is why I got a physical copy of the book to make notes and write in the margins on the book. And then from there, I also try to use the same colors and make notes for anything I didn't understand in my notebook as well. My main interventions for the Safmeds is first my audio deck. So this is just a free app that I got, and I have several decks on here. This is my deck 3 up here, and then what I'm trying to do, the newer version where you read the term and say the definition, I have subdecks as well, just to kind of break it down. So in each subdeck, I have about 7 terms, so I can just learn it in groups of 7 or 6, what have you. So it makes it a little bit easier to kind of get all the words and accumulate all the information in shorter bursts of time. And then I also have all of my decks are on Quizlet. So I didn't actually print out any of the decks. I put them all on Quizlet, and I have them labeled by class as well as which deck, as well as if it is a full deck or a sub deck. So I know exactly how many cards are in there and what it's for, and give or take what information is in there. So when I'm starting to do an acquisition, I make my deck, and on Quizlet you have the option to do flashcards. So right now it's on term first. So I would read the term, say the definition or example, flip it. If it's right, it goes to the green side. If it's wrong, it goes to the other side, and then you can go back through afterwards and go over the ones that you got wrong. Another choice, you have the options button here, and you can make it definition first. You start your card. So now I have the definitions up, and then I can say whatever the term is. So that's how I kind of rotate between the two versions in order to get the information I need. But as far as recording on my Chartlytics, my standard acceleration chart, I do it in this format where I read the definition and say the term. Another option I recently started using is the match at the bottom here, where you can, it has all of the different definitions and terms, and then you match which one goes to what. So I found that to be kind of a fun little helpful game, just to make it more interesting as well as test my speed. With this method, I've been able to acquire everything at a reasonable pace. My biggest issue has been time management, actually. So I recently purchased a planner. To organize myself and to organize my study time. And I'm hoping that that will reduce the issue with time management. And that is all. Thank you.